What's up, YouTube? So we're back. Today we're going to be doing some stream fishing. I wasn't able to take the kayak to the lake like I said I was in the last video because it was too windy and cold that day. I wasn't really able to make a video out of it. But today we're going to be fishing this creek over here. It's a different one from the last video. I got the Meta AI glasses, so I should be able to get some cool shots for that. Let's do it. I am going to be wearing waders today because it's a little bit colder. I don't want to be cold. By the way, I just want to thank you guys for 130 subscribers, I think. I did not think I would get to 100 that fast and then keep getting more, so thank you guys. And if you like this stuff, subscribe. Alright, good. I got the GoPro and the glasses. Really use the glasses for like shorts style videos because they're vertical, so the GoPro's for the main video. Unfortunately, my trout setup is broken, so I'm using my largemouth setup, and it's got braid. It's a little bit big, but it should be alright. Oh, there's a trout following it. There's a trout right there. See that? I don't know if the GoPro picks that up, but there's a trout. Something. Smallmouth. Another one. Oh, that's a better one. Ooh. Tire him out a little. He's gonna shake a lot. Pretty good one. Nice. Guys, I had to go back to the car because I left the paddles in there. That's why I'm back here at the spot. But I mean, it wasn't even that far anyways. Spiked me. Nice. Another one. Oh, hit it twice. Popped off. Alright guys, I think I've reached the point where I'm gonna turn around. The creek's pretty muddy now up here, so that might be part of the reason why I'm not catching that many. So I'm gonna start heading down. I'll fish on the way down. I'm gonna film that. It's also a lot deeper up here, so I can't really walk anywhere. I have to kayak the whole time. It's very hard to fish from this little kayak. Alright guys, I made it to the start. I didn't catch anything on the way down, but overall did alright today. A few smallmouth. I wish I got that trout that chased the lure, but that kind of sucks. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe, because I got a lot more of this coming, so appreciate it. See you guys. The things I gotta do for a video.